Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib Hassan and you're welcome to Nasib IT. So guys, today in this video I am going to show you how can you design these flowers easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So guys, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it you have to click on the file, then you have to click on the new. Then you have to select instance from here, then click on this box and type here 7, then click on this box and type here 4. Then click on advanced option, then you have to select 300 ppi, then click on create. So after creating the page you have to select the shape tool, then you have to select the rectangle tool, then you have to draw a rectangle in this artboard. Then you have to click on stroke, then disable the stroke by clicking on here, then click on fill, then select the black color. Then you have to select the move tool, then you have to go into the layer panel, then click on here, then you have to lock this rectangle by clicking on here. So after that you have to select the shape tool again, then select the start tool, then click on here, then click on this box and type here 20, then you have to click on OK. Then select this, then press and hold the shift key, then increase the size of this, then drag this in here. So after that you have to click on Windows, then you have to select gradient. If you already have the gradient panel, so you don't need to do this. So after importing the gradient panel you have to select the radial gradient, then you have to select this, then double click on here, then select the white color, then you have to select this, then double click on here again, then you have to select this panel, then you have to select any color for your design. So I am selecting this color. So after that you have to select this and drag this in here, then select this, then drag this in here, then select this and drag this in here. So then you have to click on edit, then you have to click on copy, then click on edit again, then you have to click on paste in font, then press and hold the shift key and the alt key, then you have to decrease the size of this. Then you have to select the shapes again, then you have to click on object, then you have to click on blend, then select blend option, then you have to select this option, you have to select specified steps, then click on this box and type here 100, then you have to click on OK. Then click on object again, then you have to select blend again, then you have to select make, then you have to select any anchor point, then rotate this. So after that you have to click on effect, then you have to select distort and transform, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on this box and type here -22, then you have to click on OK, then click on effect again, then you have to select distort and transform again, then you have to select this option, then you have to click on this box and type here 37, then click on this box and type here 0, then you have to select smooth from here, then you have to click on OK, then you have to click on effect again, then you have to click on distort and transform again, then you have to select tweak, then click on OK. Then you have to decrease the size of this according to your page. So after that you have to select this again, then click on Windows again, you have to click on the effect, then you have to select distort and transform, then you have to select this option again, then click on apply new effect, then you have to click on this box and type here -23, then you have to click on OK again. So now here you can see our design has been completed. So in this way we can design this thing easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So if you want to change the color of this flower, so you have to double click on here. Before changing the color you must select this shape. After selecting the shape you have to change the color of this. So I am changing the color to red, but you can select any color for your flower. So after selecting the red color you can see the red color has been applied on my flower. So you can select any color from here. So in this way you can design this flower easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.